I'm going to need to make some kind of jiggy thingy to make sure that I drill in that it's dead straight. Right, I've decided I'm going to try and make a jig on the handhold that comes with the drill. I've bolted through there, solid 12mm solid laminate, and they may come for like toilets and shower blocks in school. So I'm a very kind person, give me lots of offcuts, so, and it's nice and slidey as well. I'll have 2 rails going down the side.
You cover us in shame and I take the blame. Living by the rules between which high school.
I think I've got it. I'm not quite sure. We'll find out. Now this nut here, so it goes up and down. That one goes on there, and then the wheel goes on there. I can adjust for the different size wheels there. That is square to that, or should be. I think everything now lines through. So I've got my drill bit to where my first spoke is going to be. That's the idea. I am also centre of the wheel that way. What I don't want is this drill bit to either go one way or the other. So I've got the shorter one that should be just enough for this wheel.
Now rats can shine.
I'm going to have to make the hub a bit bigger, 1 3/4 inches, which is 44mm in new money. Right, this hub is a little bit bigger. Using this jig, I've got top written up there, so I know that's the top. It's just to make sure that I know which one goes to which. Put a little arrow on the top there just to let me know. Mark around these points where my spindles are going, and then when I've done that all the way around, then what I'll do is put them on there and then just use this square. Then I know they're going to be upright. Consistent way of doing it. On this piece of wood here, I've got a centre line on there, and then all I do is line up my line on the hub, drill the hole, which drills that on, and then I just move it around to the next one. I've just changed it over, so I've got this like centre point drill bit, and I'm going to see if that's more consistent with the holes rather than a normal HSS bit, which tend to wander all over the place. Using that centre point drill bit is more consistent. That is much better. You start at one end, just keep going round and round and round, I suppose. Let's just see if it's deflected at all. It's a little bit, but gives it character when it's wobbling down the road. Should drag the glue with it. Right, that's the 2 wheels done. I'll let those go off first before I start cutting the ends and bits and pieces off. I'm going to try and press fit these in there. Hopefully that is the wheels finished then. Smaller ones I'll put in a clamp, but these bigger ones I'll have to use a clamp. Yes, it's worked out for once.